front of me is OPPO K13x, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Apps. Then select App Cloner over here and either tap on one of your recommended apps right away or hit Other Apps and pick one of those. Whatever you decided after clicking on an app you wish to clone, use gray switcher next to Create App Clone to activate it. Then wait. Now choose Rename App Clone, name it however you want to and tap Save. Then hit Default App to open and apply one of those options by clicking on the best one for you. Always ask Original App or App Clone. When you finished, go back. So when I check, as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. If you want to delete this clone, you can always go back to the same settings and tap on the No Blue switcher next to Create App Clone. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!